This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing the best source clip and duplicating it so you don't alter the original. Once done, import the duplicate and enable stabilization and optical flow or motion interpolation in your editor. This reduces judder in slow motion. Make sure to set frame blending to the target timeline frame rate and select high-quality motion estimation. These first steps cut down on artifacts and give you a clean base to refine, saving time in the heavier processing stages that follow. Now you focus on improving frame interpolation and fixing problem areas. Apply optical flow with higher precision and set interpolation to 2x or 4x depending on how slow you need it. Preview a short clip to judge results. When you see warping on edges, add masks and use local tracking to isolate subjects from backgrounds so the algorithm treats them separately. Also, tweak motion blur settings slightly to hide micro-jerks. This balance preserves sharpness while delivering smooth perceived motion. Finish by exporting at the timeline's chosen frame rate and a high bitrate to retain detail. Test playback on different players to confirm smoothness. If you notice ghosting or warping, reduce optical flow strength or switch to frame blending because too aggressive interpolation causes artifacts. For intermittent stutter, rerun stabilization on the specific segment, clear your editor's cache, and re-render just that section. One key troubleshooting tip: always compare the processed clip to the original to ensure you improved motion without introducing new problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.